Did you know that lenders have the ability to make exceptions to approve a property? And I will give you an example. I had a client that made an offer on a very large house, and I put the application together and I got an approval. Very exciting. Wasn't too worried about it because I knew that they're great, but it ends up their credit score was a little lower than I anticipated. And when I went to pull the interest rates, it wouldn't give me a valid rate because the credit score was too low for that product. And I'm like, oh my God, I have to restructure and call the agents, and they just got in contracts. It's a big freaking nightmare. So I talked to my underwriters. She asked me to send the credit report to them, and she goes, hey, this customer has perfect mortgage payment history on a credit rating. She goes, ask our upper ownership and management for an exception. And I'm like, what do you mean? And what that happened is I sent them a credit report with a scenario, and even though the borrower's credit score was lower than what we required, they allowed us to do the loan. It did cost the borrower 0.25% in what's called a discount point fee, which is a couple $100. But the cool thing about it, we got it done. And then what I also did is I did what's called a rapid rescore and fixed the credit of the borrower. So by the time we close, the exception may not be needed, and then that cost for an exception goes away. But to know there is exceptions available outside of normal guidelines is so powerful. Not every lender can do it, I believe, but at Paramount Residential Mortgage, we have that ability to make the choices that we want to back in lending. So if something doesn't fit in the box of the lender you have right now or you've talked to, give me a try. Love to see if I can help you out and create that relationship with you.